Hello and welcome to Motorsport and Performance. I'm Teddy and today we have something really special in store for you with some special guests. We are installing a world-renowned Brooke race exhaust system on this Lamborghini Aventador SV. Eddie himself has come up to get involved in putting this system on with us. Stick around, let's see how this thing goes on and how it sounds. Now that the exhaust is all installed, let's show you the before and after sound comparison. If you've any enquiries about Brooke Race exhaust systems, don't hesitate to get in touch as we are the northern dealer for Brooke Race exhaust systems.